Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. Yeah! I'm gonna show you.
This rust has all been ground away. I don't have any pictures of the rust. I wished I did, but by the time I got around to taking the pictures, why, he had already had the rust ground out, and I've got a few pictures of that. He claims there's no rust left, and we're ready to do some Bondo work on this. But first, I do have a little bit of footage of
That was sounding good.
Pappyson trying to weld a piece of sheet metal on here.
Don't almost go by sound when you're doing it.
It didn't work so well. We didn't even go this route, but since I had a little footage, I thought I would show it to you. That we did attempt this. We ended up finding a Bondo kit that came with a screen mesh with the kit, and the screen mesh was easy to fabricate and mold into shape. Here it is. We shaped it and made a template from the other side so we could get the curve just right. Drilled and pop riveted the mesh right onto what good metal was left there on the left rear quarter panel. And there's the return flange. Take a look here. Here's the inside of the wheel well. We peeled back the metal there so that we could get inside and get some Bondo in there. I don't have any pictures of just the Bondo or any of the Bondo work, so here's the 3 or 4 days later after a lot of sanding, going through all the different grades of sandpaper, and it's been primered and ready for the paint. We were able to find paint at the auto parts store where the numbers matched up perfectly. And here you can see the finished job. There's a little witness line there where the new paint is darker than the 14-year-old old paint, but for a beginner, I thought Pappyson did a good job. This was earlier this summer, and today, here's what his car looks like. He's been working on it off and on all summer. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.